Good afternoon. Question number 31 to 35. Number series. The first question 9, 5, 32, 16, 140, 100. What are the 9 and 5 difference? 4. Minus 4 or plus 4? Minus 4. 5 and 32 plus 27. 32 and 16 minus 1600. 16 and 141 plus 125. Nothing but 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square, 5 cube. Next one 6 square. Minus 36 or plus 36? Minus 36. What is the answer? 105. Next question number 32. What is the last one difference? 35. Last to second 30. Last to third 25. Next 20. Obviously first one 15 difference or not. Then answer 25 minus 1500. It will be 10. Next question number 13. What is the half of the 16? 8. Means into 1 by 2 or not? 16 into 1 by 2? 8. 8 to 12 means it is 1.5 times or not? 8 into 1.5. Next 12 to 30 means it is almost 2.5 times or not? Into half, into 1.5, into 2.5. Obviously next one into 3.5 or not? 33 times 90. Half of the 30, 15. Total it is 105. Next question number 34. 50 to 250. Almost how many times? 5 times or not? 250 to 500 into 2 times or not? Into 5 into 2. Next one into 5. Next one into 2. Obviously first one is how much? Into 2 or into 1? Into 2. Then answer 25. Something into 2 it is equal to 50 means something value are 25. Next question number 35. What is the first one difference? 10. Next one difference 14. Next one 19 or not? What is the next one difference? 25 or not? 10 and 14 difference 4. 14 and 19 5. 19 and 25 6 or not? 4 5 6. Next one difference 7 or not? 25 plus 7 32. The 32 is added to 72 or not? What the answer? 104. Next simplifications. Question number 56. 56 or 55? 56. What is the first one? What is the right hand side value? 2 power something or not? 2 power something. Then left hand side also converted to in terms of 2 power something or not? First 4 means we return 2 power 2 or not? Next already 2 cube. It is 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 into 256 divided by how much value? 64. 64 almost how many times? 4 times. 4 nothing but 2 power 2 or not? Overall it is 2 power 7 or not? 2 power 7. What is the answer? 7. Which option? Third one. Next question number 57. First priority left hand side value or not? What is the 1/6 of 360? 60 or not? Next, what is the 2 by 7th of 420? 7 almost 60 times or not? 2 into 60 120. 60 plus 120 180. Out of 180 we are subtracting 28. What is the remaining value? 152. Next question number 58. Verify the units position or not? What is the last 8 minus 6 2. 2 plus 5 7 minus 6 1. Ending with 1. How many options? Only 1 or not? Next question number 59. First priority 20% of 32 plus 63 or not? 32 plus 63 means 95. In that how much percent? 20%. What is the 10%? 9.5. 20%? 19 or not? 19 plus 128 divided by 16. 8 times or 7 times? 8 times. 19 plus 8? 27. Out of 45 we are subtracting 27. What is the remaining value? 18 అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 60. ఆల్ ఆర్ గివెన్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్? మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ ఇంటీజర్స్ అన్నాడు. 2 + 1 3 + 5 -3. what is the remaining value? 2 అన్నాడు. again left hand side 1/4, right hand side 1/4 cancel అన్నాడు. what is the remaining value? 3/8. but plus 3/8 becomes, it will be -3/8 అన్నాడు. this one we written 2 - 3/8 అన్నాడు. 2 - 3/8. 2 - 3/8 means it is 13/8 అన్నాడు. 13/8. which option? Third option అన్నాడు. 1/4 1/4 left hand side right hand side both are cancel అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 61. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 12 ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 12% ఆఫ్ 200 అన్నాడు. what is the 12% of 200? 24 plus 24 becomes -24 అన్నాడు. 144 - 24 120. that 120 are represents how much percent? 40% అన్నాడు. 40% value 120, but we required 100% అన్నాడు. how many times? 3 times. then answer 300 అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 62. ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 154 divided by 11 అన్నాడు. 11 ఆల్మోస్ట్ how many times? 14 times అన్నాడు. 14 minus 9 6 how much? 54. -54 or plus 54? -54. 14 minus 54 -40 or plus 40? -40. already right hand side value 28 minus 80 అన్నాడు. what is the 28 minus 80? -62 or 52? 52. -52 becomes +52 అన్నాడు. then we return -40 plus 52 అన్నాడు. what is the answer? 12. left to right, right to left. next question number 63. all are given in mixed fractions అన్నాడు. first left hand side 2 right hand side 2 get cancel అన్నాడు. next left hand side 2/3 right hand side 2/3 both are cancel అన్నాడు. okay, what are the remaining integers? 6 minus 1 అన్నాడు. how much? 5. what are the remaining fractions? 1/6 minus 1/3 అన్నాడు. 1/6 minus 1/3. 1/6 minus 1/3 means LCM are 6. 6 how many times? 1 time. 3 how many times? 2 times. it will be -2/6 అన్నాడు. -2/6 means -1/3 or plus 1/3? -1/3. what is the total answer? 5 minus 1/3 or 5 plus 1/3? 5 minus 1/3. which option? 1/6 minus 1/3. what is the LCM? 6. 6 how many times? 1 time. 3 how many times? 2 times. 1 minus 2 means it will be -1 or not? -1/6. out of 5 we are subtracting -1/6 or plus 1/6? -1/6. 5 minus 1/6 means it will be written as 29/6 or not? 29/6 means 4 5/6 or not? 4 5/6. what is the negative fraction? 1/6 or not? converted to positive means we are getting 5/6 or 6/5? 5/6. how many options are 5/6? all the options are 5/6 or not? but answer must be less than 5 but nearby 5 or not? which one is the less than 5 but nearby 5? Fourth option or not? Sorry, fifth option or fourth option? Fifth option or not? Less than 5 but nearby 5. Which option is nearby 5? Fifth option or not? Next question number 64. First priority right hand left hand side value or not? 125 minus 195/13 means almost 15 times or not? 125 minus 15 110. out of 110 we are subtracting 84 or not? again it is multiplied by 6 times or 7 times? 6 times. 110 minus 84 26 into 6 means 156 or not? Right hand side denominator, it will become left hand side product or not? Next question number 65. First priority 12 into 8 or not? 12 8 is how much? 96. Next one 13 4 times 52. Both are adding 148. Which option? Third one. Next question number 36. A boat travels 12.5 kilometers in 25 minutes, upstream or downstream? Upstream. And the same boat travels 24 kilometers in 30 minutes, downstream or upstream? Downstream. Then find the ratio between the speed of the boat and speed of the steamer. Speed of the boat and speed of the stream ratio or not? First of all, downstream how much distance are traveled? 24 kilometers in how many minutes? 30 minutes. Distance value 24, time value 30 minutes. Minutes are converted to hours, means multiplied by 60 or not? It is distance by time. Distance by time means downstream speed or upstream speed? Downstream speed. Then we return m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. Next, 30 how many times? 60. 2 times. 24 2 is how much? 48. That is the downstream speed or not? Again, in upstream how much distance are traveled? 12.5 kilometers in how many minutes? 25 minutes or not? Minutes are converted to again hours or not? 12 and half 25, almost how many times? 2 times. 60 by 2 means 30 or not? That 30 is the speed value. It is equal to upstream speed or downstream speed? Upstream speed. M minus s or m plus s? M minus s. What is the downstream speed? 48. What is the upstream speed? 30. But we require ratio between the speed of boat and speed of steamer. Not? Speed of the boat means downstream speed and upstream speed adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. 48 plus 30. 78. By 2 means 39 or not? Next, what is the speed of the stream? Speed of the stream means downstream speed and upstream speed subtracting by 2 or adding by 2? Subtracting by 2. What is the subtracting by 2? 18. 18 by 2 means 9 or not? Then ratio are 39 is to 9 means it is 13 is to 3 or not? Which option? First one. Next question number 37. 6 years ends, the ratio of the ages of A and B will be 28 is to 25. If A is 6 years elder than the B, then find the age of B 3 years ago or not? First of all, 6 years ends or not? Means after 6 years or present? After 6 years. After 6 years ratio are how much? 28 is to 25. And here A is how many years elder than the B? 6 years. Nothing but A and B difference are 6 years or not? Either elder or younger, means the difference between two persons or not? How many years are difference? 6 years. Either past, present or future. In future how many parts difference? 3 parts or not? But age wise how many years are difference? 6 years or not? Then 3 parts value 6 years. Then every 1 part are 2 years or not? But we required age of B how many years back? 3 years back. First we need to identify the present value or not? 3 parts 6 means 1 part are 2 years. 25 parts are 50. After 6 years 50 means present value 44. But we required 3 years back. Answer 41 or not? In place of 25 parts we written how much? 50. After 6 years 50, at present 44. But we required 3 years back. Answer 41. Which option? Fifth option or not? Next question number 38. The average weight of 22 persons was pounded at 42 kgs, but it was noticed that the weight of 2 persons taken by mistake as 28 kgs and 45 kgs instead of 53 kgs and 42 kgs respectively. Find the correct average of these 22 persons or not? Actually, how many persons are there? 22 persons. Though the average are given how much? 42. 42 is the original average or not? 42 is the original average. Out of the 22 persons, 2 persons weights wrongly taken as 28 kgs, 45 kgs instead of which one? 53 and 42. What are the actual weights? 53, 42. 53 plus 42 means 95. But in place of 95, how much value are taken? 28 plus 45. What is the 28 plus 45? 73 or not? How much value are less taken? 22 or not? What is the actual weight? 95. But taken weight 75. 73. How much value are less taken? 22. Then we are adding 22 or subtracting 22? Adding 22. But the 22 is distributed. All the 22 persons are only one person. All the 22 persons. Plus 22 is distributed for all the 22 persons are only one person. All the 22 persons. 22 by 22 means we are getting how much value? 1. Already average is how much? 42. Increased average are 1. What is the total answer? 43 or not? 22 is increased sum or decreased sum? Increased sum. Divide by 22 means increased average or decreased average? Increased average. Both are adding, it will be new average or old average? New average. Next question number 39. A sum of 8,000 was invested at simple interest at the rate of 8% per annum for 6 years, and then the sum and interest both invested compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum for 2 years. Then find the compound interest received. First case, what is the investment value? 8,000. Rate of percent are 8%. Time period are 6 years. What is the principal value? 8,000. Per annum rate of percent? 8%. Time are given 6 years. 8 6 how much? 48%. 48% are interest value or principal value? Interest. 48% of 8,000 or not? 48% of 8,000. 48% means it is 50% value minus 2% or not? What is the 50% of 8,000? 4,000. 4,000 minus how much percent we are subtracting? 2%. What is the 2% of 8,000? 160 or not? Minus 160 or plus 160? Minus 160. 8,000 is the principal. 4,000 minus 160 is the interest value or not? Total how much? 8,400 minus 160 or not? What is the total amount? 8340 or not? 8,000 plus 4,000 how much? 12,000. 12,000 minus 160. It is 11,840 or not? It is an original amount or not? Principal plus interest, it will be amount value. What is the amount value? 11,840. Again, the sum and interest both are invested at compound interest at the rate of which one? 10% per annum. But how many years? 2 years. 10% for 2 years means what is the compound interest? 21%. Means out of this one we required how much percent interest? 21% or not? What is the 21% of 11,840? First we need to identify the 10%. After that 20% or not? Or else 10% for 2 times means by using compound interest concept or not? What is the first year interest? 1184 or not? Second year interest 1184 plus 10% of first year interest or second year interest? First year interest. What is the 10% of first year interest? 118.4 or not? It is 2 years compound interest or only 1 year compound interest? 2 years compound interest. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, ending with 6.4. How many options are ending with 6.4? Only one. Which option? Fourth option. First case amount value, it is also equal to principal in second one or first one? Second one. Next question number 40. In a school, out of the total number of students, girls plus boys, 40% are which one? Boys. Means out of the total students, boys are how much percent? 40%. Obviously, remaining 60% are girls or not. And one more, 1/4 of the girls participated in the project. The remaining 1080 girls not participated in the project or not. What are the total students? 100%. Out of the 100%, 40% are which one? Boys. Remaining are how much percent? 60%. 60% are girls or boys? Girls. Out of the girls, 1/4 are participated in the project or not? What is the 1/4 of 60%? 15%. 15% are participated means remaining girls are 45%. What is the total girls? 60%. In that 15% are participated means not participated value 45% or not. But in place of 45%, how much value are given? 1080 or not. But we require total number of students. Total number of boys or total number of students? Boys. Boys means how much percent? 40% or not. Okay. Actually 45% means it is 3/4 of which percentage? 60% or not. Because 1/4 complete means remaining value 3/4 of 60. Next 9 how many times 45? 5 times. 9 how many times 108? 12 times nothing but 120 or not. 5% 120, 10% 240, 40% 960 or not. Or 5 how many times 40? 8 times. 8 into 120, 960 or not. I think repeated question or not. Next question number 41. The ratio between the length of train A and train B is 3:5. The speed of train A is 72 km per hour and speed of the train B is 54 km per hour. And they are running in opposite to each other. If train A crosses the train B in how many seconds? 16 seconds. Find the length of the train B or train A? Train B. First of all, both trains are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. Opposite direction means relative speed or sum of the speeds or difference of the speeds? Sum of the speeds. What is the sum of the speeds? 126. Distance we required meters or kilometers? Find the length of the train B in meters or kilometers? Meters. But 126 is the kilometer per hour or not? It is converted to meter per second. Multiplied by 5 by 18 or not? 126 into 5 by 18, it is kilometer per hour value converted to meter per second. But they pass each other in how many seconds? 16 seconds. Multiplied by 16 means we are get the speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. Speed into time nothing but it is distance value or not? When a train passes another train means total distance are sum of the two train lengths or only one train? Sum of the two train lengths. It is equal to, what is the sum of the two train lengths? 8 parts or not? What is the first train length? 3 parts. Second one 5 parts. Sum of the two train lengths is how much? 8 parts or not? We are using only one concept, that is distance equal to speed into time. Left hand side speed into time, right hand side distance value or not? Okay. First 18 how many times? 7 times or not? 18 sevens are 126. 8 how many times? 16. 2 times or not? 5 twos are 10 into 7. It will be 70. Every one part it is how much value? 70 meters or not? But we required length of the train B. Train B means how many parts? 5 parts or not? What is the answer? 350. Question number 42. Length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than the breadth of the breadth, and breadth is 6 centimeters more than the radius of a circle whose area is 154 centimeters square. Find the perimeter of a rectangle or not? What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 of L plus B or not? Definitely we know the length value and breadth value. First of all, what is the area of a circle? 154, nothing but it is pi r square or pi? Pi r square. What is the pi value? 22 by 7. into r square equal to how much value? 154. 22 almost how many times? 7 times. Then r equal to how much value? 7 and means radius of a circle is 7. But here breadth of a rectangle is 6 centimeters more than the which one? Radius of a circle. Means breadth value 13 and breadth is 13. And one more, length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than the breadth. Then length is how much? 16 and length is 16, breadth is 13. But we required perimeter of a rectangle 2 of L plus B and 16 plus 13 29 into 2 means 58. I think this one also repeated model or not. Next question number 43. A started a business with an investment of 16,000. After 3 months, B will be joined with an investment of 12,000. If after 1 year, total profit is 22,000, find the B profit or A profit? B profit. What is the A investment? 16,000. Used for how many months? 12 months or not? But B will be joined after how many months? 3 months. What is the B capital? 12,000. Used for how many months? 9 months or not? Okay. First of all, 3 zeros are cancelled or not? Profit nothing but investment multiplied by time. Again 12 get cancelled or not? What are the remaining values? 16 is to 9. Profits are distributed 16 is to 9. Total profit is how many parts? 25 parts. But 25 parts value is given how much? 22,000. But we required which one profit? B profit or A profit? B profit. How many parts we need? 9 parts or not? Okay. 22 means 11 multiple. Yes or not? First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. Yes. Third one. No. Fourth one. Fourth one. No. Fifth one. Answer. Second option or first option? Second option. That is 7920. Question number 44. 2 men and 3 women can do a piece of work in 12 days, while 4 men can do it in 10 days. How many days can 5 men and 5 men take to finish the same work or different work? Same work. What is the time and work basic concept? Work equal to efficiency multiplied by time or not? Work equal to efficiency multiplied by time. First of all, 2 men and 3 women can do the work in how many days? 12 days. 2 men and 3 women together can do the work in how many days? 12 days or not? 2 men plus 3 women means it is efficiency or time? Efficiency. 12 nothing but time. Efficiency into time, it is work value or not? Again, 4 men can do the same work in how many days? 10 days. 4 men can do the work in 10 days or not? Left hand side efficiency into time, right hand side also efficiency into time. Equal work or different work? Equal work. 4 how many times? 12. 3 times or not? Left hand side 3 2s are 6 m, right hand side 10 m or not? What is the difference? 4 m, it is equal to 3 into 3, 9 women or not? 4 men equal to 9 women means this one we return men by women, it is equal to 9 by 4 or not? What is the 1 man efficiency? 9 parts. 1 woman efficiency? 4 parts or not? Okay. But here question, how many days? Days nothing but it will be time or not? If we require time, definitely we know the efficiency and work or not? Efficiency and work. First we need to identify the total work or not? Either left hand side value or right hand side value, it will be work value or not? Okay. Work nothing but right hand side value are taken. 4 men into 10 days. What is the 1 man value? 9 parts efficiency. 4 men value 4 into 9 into 10 or not? It is work value or not? The same work is completed by which one? 5 men and 5 men. 5 men and 5 men. What is the 1 man efficiency? 9 parts. 5 man efficiency 5 into 9. 5 women efficiency 5 into 4 or not? numerator is the work, denominator is the efficiency. It will be equal to time or not. 4 9s are how much? 36 into 10 means 360 or not. Denominator 5 9s are 45 plus 20 how much? 65 or not. Okay, 5 how many times numerator? 72 times. Denominator 13 times or not. 72 by 13. What is the nearby value? First option or second option? First option or not? 13 5 is how much? 65. What is the remaining value? 7. It is 5 7 by 13. Question number 45. If one pipe A can fill a tank in how many minutes? 20 minutes. Then find the time taken by 5 pipes to fill the tank. Each pipe is 20% efficiency of air. Not. Every pipe efficiency is how much percent? Actually, any pipe efficiency is how much percent? 100%. Okay. One pipe can fill the tank in how many minutes? 20 minutes or not. With efficiency of 100%, it will be filled in how many minutes? 20 minutes or not. Efficiency value 100%, time value 20 minutes. But next time, how many pipes are using? 5 pipes. If only one pipe, it will be filled in how many minutes? 20 minutes. But next time, how many pipes are using? 5 pipes. But every pipe efficiency is how much? 20%. One pipe efficiency 20%, 5 pipes efficiency 100%. How much time are taken? 20 minutes or not? One pipe in how many minutes normally? 20 minutes. With the efficiency of 100%, it is filled in 20 minutes. But next time, how many pipes are taken? 5 pipes. Every pipe efficiency 20%. 5 pipes efficiency 100%. 100% efficiency, time will be taken how many minutes? 20 minutes or not? If one pipe 100% efficiency, but 5 pipes also same 100% or different? Same 100% or not? What is the answer? 20 minutes. Question number 46. Case letter given. A class has a total of how many students? 300 students. All the students are involved exactly one of the 3 different activities. ABC, the number of students A is 16 by 3% of the total students in the class, and the ratio of the boys to girls in class A is how much? 3:7. Total how many classes? 3 classes or not? Or 3 activities or not? A, B, C. 3 activities. Every activity boys and girls or not? First of all, total how many students? 300 students. Means total boys plus girls, it will be 300 members or not? ABC value 300 or total boys plus total girls also 300. What is the first one? The number of students in A is 16 by 3% of the total students of the class. 16 by 3% means what is the fraction? 1 by 6. What is the 1/6 of the 300? 50 or not? That 50 are which one? Activity A or not? Activity A. Next, and the ratio of the boys to girls in A is how much? 3:7. 3 plus 7 how many parts? 10 parts. 10 parts are 50. Every 1 part are 5. 3 parts are 15. 5 parts, 7 parts are 35 or not? Next, the number of students in C is 66 by 3% of the number of students in B. Number of students in C is 66 by 3%. 66 by 3% means what is the fraction? 2 by 3. 2 means it is C value or B value? C value. 3 means B value. C is how many parts? 2 parts. B is 3 parts. Total 5 parts. But total ABC value is how much? 300. Out of 300 already A value 50. Remaining 250. The 250 are represents 5 parts are not. 5 parts are 250. Every one part are 50. Then 2 parts are how much? 100. 3 parts are 150 or not. Means B value 150, C value are 100 or not. Next. And one more. The ratio of the number of boys to girls in B is how much? 1:2. Total how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts is how much? 150. 3 parts are 150 means every one part are 50. Boys are 50, girls are 100 or not. Next. The number of boys and girls in C are equal or different? Equal. What is the total members in C? 100. Equal members means boys are 50, girls also 50 or not. Okay. First, what is the total number of boys in 3 different activities? 115. Total girls 185 or not. Okay. I think all the data are clear. What is the first question? The number of boys in activity C is what percentage of the total students in class or not? Activity C boys, how many members? 50. What is the total students? 300. 50 and 300 means 1 by 6 or 1/6? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means what is the percentage? 16, 2 by 3% or 16.67% or not? Which option? Third option. Actually 50 is what percent of 300 or not? 50 by 300 means 1 by 6. Next question number 47. What is the ratio between the girls in B to the number of students in activity A? Girls in B, how many members? 100. Activity A total students 50. What is the ratio? 2:1. Which option? Fourth one. Ratio means 100:50 or not? It is 2:1. Next 48. The number of boys in C is what percent less or more than the number of girls in B? Boys in C means how many members? 50. Girls in B means 100. How many members are less? 50 less. How much percent are less? 50% less or more? Less. Which option? Fifth option. Next question number 49. The number of boys in class is how much more or less than the number of girls in a class? In previous question percentage are required, but in this question value are required or not? Either more or less. Boys in a class, total boys are how much? 115. Total girls are 185. What is the difference? 70 or not? 70 or 75? 70. Next question number 50. Find the total number of boys in A, number of girls in C. Boys in A means how much? 15. Girls in C 50. Total 65. Which option? First one. Line diagram are given. Given below line diagram shows the total number of books, comic plus fiction books in 5 different shops A, B, C, D and E or not? And 0 to 100 how many lines are given? 5 or 4? 5 lines. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Every value is multiple of 20 or not? First, bookshop A. Bookshop A, first one is, what the data are given? One is comic books, another one fiction books. Comic books in bookshop A. Comics 200 or 160? 160. Comics are 160 and fiction are 200. Total books 360 or not? Next, bookshop B. Comic are 240. Fiction 320. Total 560 or not? Next, in C, comic are 300, fiction also 300. Total books 600 or not? Next, bookshop D, comic are 280, fiction 4 50. In between or not? In between 440 and 460 means it is 450. 280 plus 450. 730. Next to bookshop E. 400. 540. Total it is 940 or not? What is the first question? What is the difference between the comic books in A and D together and the fiction books in C? Comic books in A and D together. What is the comic value of A and D together? What is the A in comic value? 160. D comic value 280. Total it is 440 or not? Next, fiction books in C 300 or not? What is the difference? 140. Which option? Fifth option or not? Next question number 52. What is the average number of fiction books in C, D, E or not? What is the C fiction value? 300. D fiction value 450. E fiction value 540. Total it is 1290. Divide by 3 or not? Sum is 1290. Average means divide by 3 or not? 1290 by 3 means 430. Which option? Second one. Next question number 53. What is the ratio of the comic books in B and E together to the fiction books of A and C? Fiction of B, how much value? 320. Fiction of E value 540 or not? 320 plus 540. 860 or not? Sorry, sir. Comic of which one? Comic of B and E. What is the comic of B value? 240. E value 400. Total it is 640. Next, fiction of A value. What is the fiction of A value? 200. C value 300. Total it is 500 or not? What is the ratio? 32:25. Which option? Third one. Next question number 54. The number of fiction books in E and C together is what percent of total number of books in C or not? Fiction of E and C. What is the C fiction value? 300. E fiction value 540. Total fiction 840. 840 is what percent of total books in C or not? What is the C total books? 600. Multiplied by 100, we are get the percentage or not? 2 zeros get cancelled or not? 6 how many times? 140. It is 140%. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 55. The total number of comic books in B is what percent more or less than the number of comics books in E? Comic books in B. What are the comic books in B? 240. Is what percent more or less than the comics books in E? How much value or lesser? 160. Or take the ratio. 240 and 400. What is the ratio? 3:5 or not? 3:5. B value 3 parts. E value 5 parts. How many parts are lesser? 2 parts. 2 upon which one? 5. 2 by 5 into 100 or not? It will be how much percent? 40%. Which option? Second option. I think all the questions are complete. Thank you.